Hey everyone, in this video today we are exploring Copenhagen, Denmark. So first up, we went to DSB, which is inside the airport, getting tickets from Copenhagen Airport to Copenhagen Central Station. You're able to take the train straight from the airport, which is pretty cool, and you get there in 17 minutes. So here's what it looks like on the train, very nice and clean. Here's what it looks like from the train looking outside. Outside of Copenhagen Central Station, there are plenty of bikes, and you see that McDonald's logo. We stayed at a hotel that was about 2-minute walk from Copenhagen Central Station. It looked like this inside, pretty basic, although it was warm and cozy enough. The bathroom looked like this as well, so it's not like a Ritz-Carlton by any means. The lobby was pretty warm and friendly, and there were walking tours every day. On the first night in town, we went to the planetarium. Didn't actually go inside, but we saw the lake nearby and just wanted to see what it's like to be hanging around it. Pretty nice and quiet. Lots of bikes on the streets, so make sure you don't get hit by a bike. They do have dedicated bike lanes as you're walking. And you don't want to get in their way as you're going pretty fast too. Now we're at Radupladsen, which is pretty nice and colorful. I'd say kind of like Times Square. This ended up going into Strøget, which is one of their main shopping streets. And Strøget goes on for quite a while. On the next morning, we saw Hujbroplatz. This one has a pretty large man on a horse statue over here. We walked along Strøget to get to Kongens Nytorv, which is this pretty cool roundabout. And as we waited on that circle, we were passed by these guards. Apparently there's a changing of the guards that happens every single day. They walk from one side of the city to another part of the city where the royal family sits. Of course, correct me if I'm wrong there. From there we walked to Nyhavn, which has these really nice colorful buildings. The best photo opportunity is across the street facing these buildings to the left. Continued walking north from there to Frederick's Church. And then onward to Amalienborg, which is where the royal family lies across these 4 different buildings. From there, ended up walking all the way down to Christiansborg, which is around the Parliament area, where these really nice cars sit. The following morning, we went to Den Lille Havfru, which is where the Little Mermaid sits, and that's a really little mermaid. Also saw Nyhavn again, because of this beautiful sunlight. It makes this place look absolutely gorgeous. I mean, look at that. Very nice and colorful and everything. Continuing with our public transport day pass, we went down to Freetown Christiania, which is very unique display of art, lots of graffiti all throughout. And that was the end of our time in Copenhagen. This was about 2 days. The following day we went to Malmö, Sweden.